Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we're gonna make a basic slime. So the ingredients that we're going to need are glue, mixing tool, water, and container. So let's get started. First we're going to add our glue, then add a little bit of water, and add a little bit of lotion too, and then mix it. After mixing it for a while, we're going to add our activator. My activator is borax. Then we're going to mix it again. When you can see it sticking to the sides of your container or bowl, you can start to knead it with your hand. Knead it until it gets soft, and then if it's still a little bit sticky, you can add a little bit more of activator. So yeah guys, this is the finished product. Now for the ASMR. That's all for today guys. Hope you enjoyed. Please subscribe, like, and share. Bye guys!